Are you guys tired of the same old boring French tip? I know I am, and that's what inspired today's tutorial video. You're going to want to keep watching. You will need white polish, black polish, and glitter polish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You're probably like, psh, this is clickbait. This is like every other French manicure I've seen. I can assure you it's not. We're going to paint every other nail white. Follow me on Instagram at Awesome Nails. You know, if you like this video, check out the cards at the top of this video and the end screen. You're probably like, I've been bamboozled. This is no different. This is just a regular black French tip. What's the difference? If you watch this far, I promise you there will be a difference. Just keep watching. Here's the grand finale you've all been waiting for. I'm going to do black polka dots on the white French tip and white polka dots on the black French tip. Now to add some glitz, some glam, and some bam to your nails. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.